You've probably seen the headlines, the debates about bathrooms, sports, the growing crisis, and it feels real. But what if I told you there isn't actually a crisis? What we're seeing right now isn't a natural public concern. It's not something that just happened. It's something that was built. A narrative repeated often enough that it starts to feel like reality. In 2025 alone, the ACLU tracked over 600 anti-LGBTQ bills across the United States. Most of them targeting people like me, people who are trans. That kind of scale doesn't come from random concern. It comes from coordination. There's actually a term for this. It's called a moral panic. A moral panic is when a group is framed as a threat to society, even when that threat isn't grounded in reality. The fear feels real. The reactions are real. But the cause is constructed. Think about how fast this escalated. Suddenly, there are laws about which bathrooms we can use, what sports teams we can join, what health care we are allowed to receive, all framed as urgent, all framed as necessary. But necessary for what? Because when you actually look for the widespread harm being claimed, it's not there. That's the key difference. A real crisis starts with a problem, and then people respond. This works the other way around. The response comes first, and the problem is built to justify it. This isn't about reacting to danger. It's about creating a narrative that feels like danger. And once you see that, the headlines start to look different. The debates start to feel different. Because you're not looking at a crisis anymore. You're looking at something that was designed to feel like one. Please like and subscribe for more. Y'all be well, and I'll see you in the next one.